Teams don't show. It started from yesterday. We see with Morocco take carry Belgium. Take do yesterday. And we feel say it don't finish, but we know say African teams they cook something very very hot. Very hot thing, and the hot way they cook, it just really become for the table. What most of us just be sweating the sub on top matters today. Now, of course, we'll start up with the Cameroon-Serbia game. First of all, we'll talk about we all waiting sub for the game. How you take see that game? That game be end 3-3. How you take see the game?
Say the last show where we talk, I been tell you say get the way the African teams come they play. Fear come they catch me to talk football with my friends. Then when they we come from other countries. Then you understand, man. I can't loyal Mick. You understand? But now where African countries don't they show say we no can't bridge ready for Qatar. My math self go strong when I follow my friends when they talk about football. You see that match, eh? Cameroon, they try, they show working normal, but me, I mean, they expect it, they go just, you understand, put waiting on Igbo people, they call icing on the cake, can't score that one goal, we go still make them win the match. But it good say they don't lose that game because we know say get one kata way bossat before that match. The Andre Onana matter.
Yes. Now we talk about Andre Onana. Think I don't forget about Andre Onana matter. Now, we never know 1 hour before that match. Now we hear say Andre Onana go miss out for the match. Now, up to now, we never know waiting Andre Onana really do. I don't know how you don't get information, but I never really hear what the disciplinary matter, and waiting I can't hear from some reliable sources say the guy don't leave the camp. No plans for me play for Cameroon again for the World Cup. And the truth is we've been say they miss Andre Onana for that post. But waiting the reason, waiting the picture be the problem of Andre Onana. Now the key man for that team.
Say for like 2 of the goals when the goalkeeper will come enter, we keep in place of Andre Onana. I try you show working, but get like 2 of the goals.
No. 2 of the goals. As a keeper, they carry come out.
Like 2 of the goals.
You go stay back for your this thing. You understand? You know go they carry come out. They come out. They this thing. But if they come out too much, and 2 of the goals we enter, you understand?
That's Sergei Milenkovic goal. That one normally, if now Onana go catch that ball. You understand? When that matter happened, immediately when it happened, I can't see some reports when they come out from the Obodo side. Now I can't reach out to my sources for Cameroon. I can't reach out to my friend when they follow us to do this work to say, Oga, how far? This thing when they come out about Andre Onana, how far? Wait till your people them they tell you. Now I can say in sources they tell and say the matter we really boss at be say Andre Onana can they question Rigobert Song line up for their technical meeting when they do so that one not cost the matter why they can tell and say, oh boy, but like say you don't know your work or your work not to keep, no be to conscious.
They do like normal senior man where normal is determine who and who supposed to play
the game. You understand? They come from senior man, you don't understand. So but again one thing when I want to talk concerning this matter, because every time African countries go World Cup like this, we hear one to read or the other one. And you see Andre Onana, you know why the thing I can't look at somehow. Andre Onana not be person when we know for a club say in they do this kind of thing. It will be like saying they outspoken. If manager they do one kind of thing, go come out, he go tell them. So but that kind of character, they do one for club side. Why be saying now national team you can't come now? You can't begin one do this character. We know say we never hear the foot to finish, but if na really
big name for them.
No, but even if say na big name, say once you call national team now, everybody get na team sport. The team get one goal, one collective goal, one team when they pursue, which is to go far for the World Cup, if possible, win them. Put that ego, put that senior player, put that big man aside before you come. As you come camp, everybody, whether na person where they play for local league for Cameroon or Cotton Sport now they play or you where they play for Italian Serie A, all of them are the same team for there. So now I believe so now what is supposed to do if not really waiting happen.
But I see they believe from one side. Look out for one side. Say maybe they for they beat calm with the guy and don't for just allow make the decision 1 hour before the match. For me allow after the match if you take a disciplinary decision. Why they allow Onana for the come out because barely 1 hour before the match we hear the news.
Say they keep the news tight. Cameroon, kudos to the Cameroon people. They keep that news tight, making no leak.
So hopefully say the matter already happened.
The matter not happen since. Okay. The goalkeeper will keep in place of Onana talk say they don't tell him yesterday saying in go start.
So not be what just happen 1 hour before when he leak come out.
They keep the information within the camp, so the thing no leak until the game won't start.
But now we'll talk about the performance of the Cameroon team. Now one change been changed everything. Cameroon be take a lead for the match. It be one condo before Serbia started to do their goal scoring matters. But Aboubakar, that guy we watch for the African Cup of Nations, great player.
You know, say when we talk about the African teams leading into the start of this World Cup show, when we talk about the African teams to watch out for, and when we talk about the Cameroon team, I tell you about Vincent Aboubakar. Say him be like person will be called hero for this Cameroon team.
Yeah, you talk about the fact that that side,
now him City with that, he play for Qatar Sport too. So Vincent Aboubakar na charismatic player will be like say if he did the national team, if he play in the ginger everybody around, and if you look the number of goals when he don't score for that Cameroon team, you go see cut cap and say Ababa, you sabi show.
I dey wonder why Song been bench Aboubakar sit down for bench, but Aboubakar been coming. You know when he coming, he been score that goal,
create one for
beautiful goal. You know that goal will be among the goals who they look on top World Cup goals.
One of the best goals so far. Why I don't see for this World
Cup. The way he tipped that ball over the keeper head, you know, and great striker. We know say until when you hear the whistle saying offside, continue to play your ball because that's what strikers if they don't relax and everything, but he do everything to score that goal. He can't give another assist for the match, and no that Aboubakar be deserve the man of the match. And maybe we're supposed to say if Aboubakar for him play earlier, maybe they talking about the Cameroon team for him win that match.
Many people go argue this argument now because when he enter the game, waiting we see from him now to say this guy how can they sit down for bench? You understand? But we still need to give kudos to Mbeumo we play for the other side of Chipomonte too. So Mbeumo step him still show working for the team too. But waiting Vincent Aboubakar don't do now. I know say leading to that last game.
You go to get regular time.
You understand that last game? He don't show Oga Rigobert Song saying he need to start that last game against Brazil.
We go see how that one go happen. The game be end 3-3 and you know very interesting one for the Cameroon team, and they have hope to qualify. But the hope to qualify matters now serious because they supposed to beat Brazil you know for their final game together. To me that hope they very very strong and still hope for that miracle between Switzerland and Serbia for them to qualify. Then we'll go to the one we just finished maybe 1 hour ago, South Korea Ghana match. I tell you, I'm not talking about talking about. For my mind, I say my mind just talk about come out. Then go to Nigeria and not go because sorry to say, but I watched Ghana today. I did.
You like what they do?
Ghana show us waiting they call football. Ghana show the zeal. Say this World Cup mean everything important to them. Say this World Cup, you know, not everything important to them, right? They mean that they need them. You know, they know say their group will not be easy group, and they prove the matters well. And you know, the game be end. You know. Look, Ghana be taking 2 goals lead for the first half, you know, 2 Kondo, and we did very happy. Did they lead 2 Kondo? And something just happened where we don't feel understand. Where we see the equalizing 2 goals from South Korea. Again, could become 2-2, and Ghana still score. But one player, Kudus, great player, Mohamed Kudus. Correct guy with the ball and in deliver. I'm trying to talk about that. My mind well. The game plan of talking about Ghana now normally to give that high balls, all those high crosses because most of the South Korea players know the shots.
And he
walk well. But Mohamed Kudus, wonderful player. He good pass name man. Now you go agree that one.
You know, say after the match, many people say kudos to Ghana.
Yes,
kudos to Ghana. So Mohamed Kudus, the one player where I don't follow, even leading to this World Cup, I don't follow him progression well. Since he make that move to Ajax, kudos that transformation. As in, you know, say you get what in the talk when they say make some players they calculate move they make. You understand? He make move go club when he go CJC, they play week in week out. To say maybe he goes jump some step. Go club when big past Ajax, for example, they go begin put out for bench. So, but now after this World Cup, now the clubs when go line up, they go there for queue. You understand? The people they line up for scarcity now and all that, and so they go to line up to sign Mohamed Kudus because Kudus, what thing you do for that machine show working. You know, say when people they talk about players like the Neymar, the man who call the Ronaldo, the Mbappe, you understand? What be the difference between all those players? They say once their team need them, they go show working. Now what team Kudus do today? Ghana need one person to step up. Mohamed Kudus step up, say I go show say I be big player for this match. You know,
great performance from Kudus. You know, the guy been there at the right place at the right time. But we'll talk about Jordan Ayew. You know, the fact Jordan Ayew been give 2 assists for that match. You know, score goal, but he give 2 assists. I also get my issues with the coach of the Ghana team. The fact say he can make some kind of changes. We can make sure say Ghana can defend at the ending part of the match. You know, I believe say maybe that issue now waiting supposed to address next time. Maybe if we play more attacking football, but more talk through. You know, more really shame devil. South Korea themselves try.
No, they try.
They try
because when the match now 2-0, you understand. I've been talking with my friend about the game. My friend come to tell me say this match Ghana need to score the 3rd goal as fast as they go fit because this South Korean players, I seen they see them because in a coach for Brazil, I seen they see them so these guys they're not go tire. they go show say that they no come play for this World Cup. And exactly I'm waiting to talk. How many minutes they don't score 2 goals? Equalize the goal. So to say Ghana self, them too no even still sharper. This game maybe for go end for draw or they for lose. So
Ghana really try. Ghana really try. You know, the fact say yes, they been defend that last defending, the defending finish. And I don't really watch one video for Samogian. You know, as Samogian be reacting, you know, behind the camera, and the fact say yes, he won't make the team, you know, win the match. But good one for Ghana. You know, Ghana don't get 3 points. We watch them against Portugal. We agree they play impressive football, and if we give them more chance, if you do well. Now, what will be the chances of this Ghanaian team to qualify? How do they raise their chances? You know, we'll get the Portugal-Uruguay match later this evening, and their last match for the group stage, talk about Ghana to go play against Uruguay. So what will be their strength of qualification to the round of 16 football matters?
You know, say firstly, that performance when they perform against Portugal, it shocked some people. Because some people we know they expect. So to me, I believe say that one are the one when they build on. Say, if we play Portugal like this, we're not going to fear anybody. Now Portugal will turn their star like that. And if we even check our way to see they even take their chance, therefore maybe they even get draw for that game against Portugal. Yeah. So now today when they don't win against South Korea, now for them to build on that one now, say, we don't win, we don't score, we don't win, we don't see how it be, we don't taste winning now. Okay. Uruguay, we get score to settle with Uruguay normally, leading from what happened for 2010. You understand? So that match to me,
for them to go on a revenge matter, they want
sure
to
you understand. So many things they are at stake for that game. The past history, qualification to the next round. So to me, I know said Ghanaian players within the show today, would they expect to make a build on that one? And like you talk. Make the coach self still do on inside, make everything go away, and make the defense too still try to be very compact, make the block now, everything.
Now later this evening we get Portugal Uruguay, you know, and a very tough match. You know, Portugal go like, you know, cement themselves. More, of course, you know, only France don't qualify to the round of 16. They sure say yes, they don't really qualify. Now the match between Uruguay and the team, what did they call Portugal? Tough match. How they reason the match? How they believe that match will end? Believe that Uruguay will shock Portugal?
That match, because this World Cup, the way we don't see some teams don't shock many people for this World Cup. And that Portugal-Uruguay match, to me, are two strong teams. If you look the attacking lineup for from the both teams, you will know say these two teams, they get attackers, so if you do the damage anytime when they get a chance. So I believe that the game go there close. Some people go to say Portugal gets upper hand on paper. But at the end of the day, now we go see for 90 minutes, we go take talk. So for me, we see how that one they go. That one, I believe that one go hard to predict. And also, we don't see plenty goals away for the first 2 games. This Brazil game, see they play goalless. I don't know that one go be 1-0 match.
If it just changed during the second half, you know, second half we did, but still they play 0-0 up to now. You know, Brazil against Switzerland. But before the final 90 minutes whistle, or maybe plus extra time, you believe say Brazil fits, you know, knock Switzerland come out?
I believe say the quality way Brazil get for that their squad, they go too much for Switzerland to hold for 90 minutes.
I did watch the Brazilian team, and I must agree one thing. Say Brazil, the Brazilian national team lack that creative midfielder, way you know, feed the team with the ball. I don't know if you talk say they miss Neymar today, but you know they lack that creativity the way you just know pass the ball, you know, and every.
You know, so most teams now, if you look some teams now, that creative number 10 role, some teams don't they play and come off for football. Some teams don't even they play with themselves. Some teams just play a defensive midfielder, 2 center midfielders, so you go do box to box work. So now within Brazil, if you look their team without Neymar now, look the team sheet now within they play. And Brazil, the kind of players who they get from wing, I believe say those players quality they go provide enough chances for the team. Themselves they score. Look the players who they the wing. Vinicius they, Rafinha they, and if they even come out to Rafinha self, you go see Anthony go come. They come out Vinicius, Rodrigo go come, or Gabriel Jesus go
Brazil
come.
To win Switzerland.
Brazil go win that match.
Okay, we'll go see how it will happen after the 90 minutes and plus maybe 5 minutes or 6 minutes or 8 minutes extra time as you would say usually. But I know one short time say it go be very, very interesting. And of course, the best team go win the match. If it end draw, maybe we will see how that one goes. So, but of course, takes it just makes sense even to Roma Santo, the world of sports, of course, the World Cup show.